Casino Trap katang jangan di walau bila man kod ya pocho to Casino Trap mencangan nak kai squad bagi random people nak squad bagi random people kalau bagi random friend kita wan join bat nga kide kino madai pro madai ki hakar madai ki lele ngin la kai baik Casino Trap supaya subscribe lam share lam like lam ki video jangan support lam yang kena mengandang la ban ki saprang Casino Trap ngaron kam hadu share jar subscriber supaya harap lam yang kamjo la dapat la biarap yang wat klat ro ban yarap saya iwe dai dai pro gamer na po ribo district patal kama kadi ka senang jungi itai dai kapeki kansai baka channel katang jang ka channel jang i kadi ka riboy free fire saya subscribe like share ka video jang iru saya kenal ban ya like page ya ka channel jang iru kadi ka riboy free fire so maka Casino Trap ya semua wis nelam tangkat ne ninga start ay kaman nginam ya bon potensyo Tata Casino Trap ngi tagi prolog jangi ngi tagi prolog jangi tagi random friend jangan HS M41060 baru Rocky 3620T baru wiki ngi tagi random friend jangan Tata Casino Trap entah kemaskan sedang nak ngi kun pasyai tagi enemies ki jangi rangkat lang bagi random friend jangan mah Tata Casino Trap ngadai master banjam Bima sakti baro-baro kia kwa banyak lagi HT nomor ngantip palai kalut kada biang akan babing I don't know to let's go Casino Trap let's go Casino Trap wanam klik mah Casino Trap ban subscribe lam ka channel jangan ban like ki video jangan ban share lang ya ki perlo ki pramarjan ki jangpi ki hinang ki pra email pa ban share lang kanang bangi kasih ni pulang ban wanam klik ban ya subscribe ka channel jangan perlo jangan ru dai kan sai ban kateng channel jangan itu dai ka Riboy Free Fire.
Yeah, I know what a lot of people think when they look in the mirror every single day of their life. Why can't I be this? Why can't I be that? What do I look this way? I wish that I could fix everything that makes me who I am. Wish that I could make something different, but it's not in the plan. A lot of people that make all apologizing for the image ever given that they made that decision. Man, I hate to break it to you, but I gotta break it down. I can't love the way you're talking, better cut it out now. Cause everybody's so judgmental, everybody's so hateful. They may not like the way that you look, but you're beautiful, so smile. Mirror, mirror on the wall, why you gotta hurt them all? You know that they heard it all.
Alam aku macam mana? Ngai daw ya pigeng. Ada kita kini dia siap saja lah. Tapi kita friend apa ni? Yang saya kenduk siap lain. Yang saya kenduk siap lain. Kita kira dalam friend jangan. Dah. Halo, dan mem dan sarangnya. Halo, dalam dan sarangnya. Oke, turn up para lah. Saya nak kijai taki mem kisah. Oke. Oke, kasihan ya Trap. Sumpah ya subscribe ke channel jangan. Ada bangan dayo si subscriber dan kami share Casino Trap. Terima kasih yang jumpa. M79 atau ngicim nanai M6 M79 panam ya babe Casino Trap tip yang bangan big kena Casino Trap bangan nang teh head news kabah kabanayam banyak kabayap nasihat M79 Casino Trap nasihat ya lade ani knockdown tama to miling ngam laban ai nama kita saja nai nai teh Casino Trap kita kira tentang friend juga
you just be you and let your light glisten everything you do and everything you are
persang banyarap iki ladangila
it's who you are.
Ladangala dengan persang kan banyarap ladangala dengan nak Casino Trap dengan bang sedau ne tiap hari ne tiap kasih ne Yang aku minta ngutip meg halaya mah mix lang ko buat kasih oke tah Casino Trap saya tak kisar baru hilang tiada halo sir halo ma'am saya tiada one pound halo hai sir hai halo ini session kali dah enam simpai kali dah malah pisang dua masih yang mama FP play random jangan sana hai jika banyak cuy kan mana malam itu aku aban iya kita ki enemies teh ngam gula ban spot kita ki enemies aku ai headshot teh halo IP adon pau ani kan cuma jangki balai tu wei siap ya oke dah Casino Trap ni dah jadi sekarang kembali kita kali jangan kerja tentang sang sekarang tak kerja Kita ngindong siya po. Oh, kasing nga trap, kita siya squad.
Yeah, I know what a lot of people think when they look in the mirror every single day of their life. Why can't I be this? Why can't I be that? Why do I look this way? I wish that I could fix everything that makes me who I am. Wish that I could be something different, but it's not in the plan. Got a lot of people and they all apologizing for the image they were given, like they made a bad decision, man. I hate to break it to you, but I gotta break it down. I can't love the way you're talking, better cut it out now, cause everybody's so judgmental, everybody's so hateful. They may not like the way that you look.